I'll show you how to set up a wired connection on your PS5 using an Ethernet cable, which is the best way to get a more stable and faster connection for online gaming. First, take one end of the Ethernet cable and plug it into your router or modem. Then, connect the other end to the LAN port at the back of your PS5. Once it's connected, turn on your console and go to Settings in the top right corner. From there, head to Network, then select Settings and choose Setup Internet Connection. You'll see an option for wired LAN. Just select it and press Connect. The PS5 will automatically test and apply the settings, so you don't need to configure anything manually unless you want custom DNS or IP. After it's connected, you can run a test internet connection to confirm everything is working. A wired connection helps reduce lag, packet loss, and random disconnects, which is perfect for competitive games or big downloads. Once it's set, you're good to go. Enjoy smoother gameplay with a more reliable connection. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.